Recent studies highlight the critical role of black carbon in climate change. A report by the Clean Air Fund and the International Center for Integrated Mountain Development reveals that black carbon, a potent climate pollutant, is responsible for nearly half of global warming. It poses severe threats to water security for billions, particularly in the fragile ecosystems of the Hindu Kush Himalayas. What is black carbon? Black carbon is a short-lived climate pollutant formed from incomplete combustion of fossil fuels, biofuels, and biomass. It is a component of fine particulate matter PM2.5 and contributes to air pollution. Its presence in the atmosphere accelerates global warming and impacts health. Sources of black carbon emissions. The primary sources of black carbon emissions include residential solid fuel burning and brick kilns. In the Hindu Kush Himalaya region, these activities account for 45% to 66% of emissions. Other contributors include rice mills and the sugar industry. South Asia alone sees 60% of its emissions from residential fuel combustion. Health and economic impacts. Black carbon emissions have dire health consequences. In 2021, they were linked to over 8 million premature deaths globally. Economically, black carbon pollution costs over 6% of global GDP annually, disproportionately affecting the poorest communities. Effects on climate and weather patterns. Black carbon accelerates the melting of glaciers and ice sheets, particularly in the Arctic and Hindu Kush Himalayas. This contributes to rising sea levels and disrupts monsoon patterns in South Asia, increasing the risk of flooding and extreme weather events. These changes threaten food security and livelihoods. Barriers to action. Despite the serious risks posed by black carbon, efforts to combat it are inadequate. The report identifies 6 major barriers: political, scientific, financial, regulatory, industrial, and communication related. Current policies only achieve a 3% reduction in emissions, far below the potential 80% reduction achievable by 2030. Proposed solutions. The report advocates for urgent measures to reduce black carbon emissions. Suggested actions include requiring cleaner fuels for ships in Arctic waters, integrating black carbon reduction targets into national clean air policies, implementing comprehensive waste management solutions that reduce both black carbon and methane, increasing funding for research on black carbon's impacts, especially for vulnerable communities.